Meet Mohammed Rafid, an ambitious +1 biology science student from Udupi, Karnataka, with dreams as high as the skies, aspiring to become a skilled surgeon. Rafid draw inspiration from books, especially Wings of Fire, which fuels his vision to dream big and soar higher. Beyond academics, he finds joy in playing his favorite games and tackling life's challenges with unwavering resilience. His journey reflects a deep commitment to education and perseverance. Get ready to be inspired as Rafid takes the stage to share his insights in the power of education shaping our future. A talk about turning dreams into reality through knowledge and determination.
Good morning, one and all present here. I am very delighted to stand in front of you all in this HillX Buzz Talk. So, let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about what truly drives change in the world? Some say it's technology, others say it's money, but I believe the real driver of transformation, the foundation of growth, progress, and unity is education. Hi, I'm Mohammed Rafid, a +1 biology science student from Hillsinai Finishing School. Today, I want to share something that's not just about a life, but the very essence of it. So let me start with a thought that resonates deeply with me. The destiny of India is being shaped in its classrooms. This profound statement by Kutari Commission reminds us the power that education holds. Education isn't just about textbooks or exams. Education shapes individuals, builds communities, and strengthens nations. Think about it. Life itself is based on development and education. It's a bridge for development. Education itself transforms societies, uplifts communities, and creates opportunities. It's a tool for unity of a country. Education, a means to promote equality and step towards justice. Now let me tell you a story that illustrates the true power of education. It's about a boy who grew up in poverty, helping his family to make ends meet. He had little time for school, but loved learning. By reading books under candlelight, he educated himself. That boy grew up to become the Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States. Lincoln's life was far from easy poverty. Rejection, countless failure marked his journey. But his dedication to self-education and perseverance made him a leader who abolished slavery and kept his nation united during its darkest time. Imagine the resilience it took for a boy with no formal education to rise to such heights. His story makes me wonder, what could we achieve if we approach education with same kind of passion and determination? And let's be honest, how many of you would be here without parents nagging us to study? As Nelson Mandela wisely said, education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. It's not just a motivational quote, it's a call for action. Imagine the world where every child is educated, where opportunities are equal, and progress knows no bounds. The distractions are everywhere, and it's easy to lose of sight what matters. But trust me, a good education can change your destiny. It's a superpower that no one can take away from you. And have you ever stopped to think about the potential we hold? We are the generation who can create a better future where knowledge drives progress and dreams become reality. So to wrap this up, let me leave with a thought. Education is your greatest asset. It's your shield against ignorance, your tool for growth, and your sword for opportunities. So use it wisely. Study with passion. And most importantly, never stop learning. Thank you.